Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix SHEIN cash on delivery option unavailable. So first thing first, what you should know is not all items ensures COD, meaning that some items does not have COD option and you have to select other delivery methods or options. Now, another way you can try is simply updating your delivery address. See if that will allow COD function and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you can simply log out and log in again. For that, tap on the Me section, tap on the gear icon, scroll all the way below, tap on Sign Out, and then sign in again. This might work for some devices and it might not work for some devices. If it's still not working for you, then the only option you can simply go ahead and enable the COD is by selecting another item where COD is available. So thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.